Shooting range in Shillong is a shooting club where people can feel the sensation of using a firearm. You can target practice with the weapon of your choice. You must abide to all of the rules. Wear earmuffs and goggles to be allowed to shoot. Instructors are constantly available to help you. There's also an outside camp to shoot at moving objects, small discs thrown by a machine. Paintball is played by groups of people that bet who can take the opponent's base. It might not be as thrilling as using a real weapon, but interactively guarantees lots of fun. Prices vary according to the kind of weapon chosen, but you can start shooting from 1,000 baht.